Vanakkam. I am going to take a geometrical figure today. What we say in Tamil. See this I have written geometrical figure. Here number one is circle, which is called as a vattam in Tamil. In vattam. So circle is called vattam. This circle, what we call as vattam. In English I have written VATTAM. In Tamil it is written like this, vattam. In vattam. Then comes square. For square we say chaduram. Say written in English CHADURAM. This is Tamil word. Chaduram, chaduram. Then comes rectangle. This is called rectangle, which we call in Tamil as chebbagam. Written in English CHEVVAGAM. It is pronounced like this, chebbagam. In Tamil, it is written Che-Iv-Va-Ga-Im chebbagam. Then comes triangle. This is a triangle. In Tamil we say mukkonam. 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 In Tamil it is written Mu Ik Ko Na Im. I repeat this. For circle it is called vattam. In vattam. For square we say chaduram. In chaduram. Then for rectangle we say chebbagam. Che-Iv-Va-Ga-Im chebbagam. And for triangle we say mukkonam. Mu-Ik-Ko-Na-Im mukkonam. Now I am going to take legal terms. See what are legal terms. See for law, in Tamil it is called chattam. CHATTAM. In Tamil it is written like this. Cha-It-Ta-Im chattam. For law it is called chattam. Cha-It-Ta-Im chattam. For police we say Kavalar. KAAVALAR. In Tamil it is written Kavalar. And for court it is called Nidhi Mandram. NEETHIMANDRUM. Nidhi Mandram. In Tamil it is written like this. Ni Di Ma In Dra Im Nidhi Mandram. I repeat once again. For law it is called chattam. Cha-It-Im chattam. The police we say Kavalar. Ka-Va-La is Kavalar. For court we say Nidhi Mandram. Ni-Di Ma-In Dram Mandram. Nidhi Mandram. And for judge, we say Nidhipati. I written in English NEETHIPATHI. This is in Tamil Ni-Ti-Pa-Ti. Nidhipati means judge. Then more than that is jury. Jury. We say in Tamil it's called Chatta Nibunar. CH1 who is specialized in that law, who is expert in law. CHATTANIPUNNAR. Chatta Nipunar. Cha-It-Ta-Ni-Pu-Na-Ir. Chatta Nipunar is jury. Now for prisoner, we call this Kaidi. Kaidi. See, in Tamil, it is Kai is Kai and this is T. I repeat once again, for judge, it is called Nidipati. Nidipati. And for jury, it is called Chatta Nibunar. Chatta Nibunar. Then for prisoner, we say Kaidi. Kaidi. And for a prison, it's called Chirai Chalai. You can say either Chirai or Chirai Chalai. This Chi, written in English, Chirai, Chalai, Chirai Chalai. This in Tamil, it is written like this: Chi, Rai, Ich, Chalai, Chirai Chalai. Then for petitioner, one who gives a complaint in the court, who files a petition, it's called petitioner. We say in Tamil it's called Vadi. Vadhi in English. See here written Vadi. Once again, for prison we say Chirai Chalai. Chirai Chalai. For petitioner we say Vadi. And then for respondent, who receive the complaint, it's called Pradivadi. English written Pradhivaadhi. In Tamil, it is written like this: Pradivadi. Pradivadi. Then comes punishment. For punishment is called Dandanai. Dandanai. English also written. So this Dandanai. Once again, this is for respondent we say Pradivadi. Pradivadi. For punishment we say Dandanai. Dandanai. And any fine imposed by the court, for fine we say Abaradam. Abaradam. Written in English Abharatham. See, in Tamil it is written Abaradam. Abaradam. Then one who is accused in the court. The accused is called Kutravadi. Tamil. Kutravali. Kutravadi. In Tamil it is written this. Kutravali. I'm repeating once again. For fine we say Abaradam. Abaradam. And for accused is called Kutravadi. Kutravadi. So for court we say Nidimandram. Now it is High Court. What do you call for High Court? It's called Uyar Nidimandram. Uyar Nidimandram. Nidimandram is court. Uyar Nidimandram means High Court. I written in English also. Uyar. Uyar Nidhi. Neethi. Mandrem. Nidimandram. So in Tamil it is Uyar Nidimandram. Nidimandram. Now we are coming to Supreme Court. This High Court, Supreme Court. Supreme we say Ucha Nidimandram. Ucha, Ucha, Nidhi Mandram. M-A-N-D-R-U-M. So in Tamil it is like this. U-I-Cha Ni-Di-Mandram. Once again repeating, for High Court we say Uyar Nidhi Mandram, and for Supreme Court we say Ucha Nidhi Mandram. Nidhi Mandram means court. So Uyar Nidhi Mandram means High Court, Ucha Nidhi Mandram means Supreme Court. And court judgment given is called Tirpu. When a judge gives a final judgment, it's called Tirpu. T-H-E-E-R-P-U. In Tamil it is like this. T-Ir-Ip-U. That's called judgment. Tirpu. Then anything, they investigate. S-E-A-D, investigate. That's called, in Tamil, it's called Parisidhanai. P-A-R-I-S-E-E-L-A-N-I written. This is a Pa. It's Re. C. La. Nai. This is 9. One letter 9. So this is Parisidhanai. I am repeating once again. For judgment we say Tirpu. T-Ir-Ip-U. Tirpu. For investigation we say Parisidhanai. Pa. Re. C. La. Nai. Parisidhanai. And sometimes amount of time it's called adjourn. It gets adjourned or postponed. It's also called postponing that case. So for that in Tamil we say Otti Vaipu. O It T Y Ip U Otti Vaipu. See, for adjourn or postpone we say in Tamil Otti Vaipu, written in English also O It T Y Ip U Otti Vaipu. And then CID, Criminal Investigation Department. CID means Criminal Investigation Department. For that we say Tupparivadu, Tuppariyum Ilaka. Tu-ip-ri-yu-im, Tuppariyum Ilaka. A department, Ilaka. Criminal Investigation Department. In Tamil we say Tuppariyum Ilaka. Tupparivadu means to investigate. Tuppariyum Ilaka. Ilaka. I repeat once again. For adjournment of the case, we say Otti Vaipu. O It T Y Ippu. And for CID department, we say Tuppariyum Ilaka. Tu Ip-ri-yu-im. Ilaka. Ilaka. And then comes handcuff. When somebody is arrested, prisoner, they put a handcuff. That's called Kai means hand. Kai Vilang. So Kai. Kai Vi La Ing. Kai Vilang means handcuff. Kai Vi La Ing. I have written in English also. Kai Vilang. Then if there are different types of punishments. When the hanging punishment is given, we say Tooku Dandanai. It is called Tooku Dandanai. This is Tu Ik Ku the in Danai. Dandanai. It's not the Dandanai, Dandanai. So I'm repeating once again. For handcuff we say Kai Vilang. And for hanging punishment, we say tuk dandanai. Tuk dandanai. Then other punishment is called life imprisonment till the lifetime. So this is called Ayul Dandanai. Ayul means life, till the life. Ayul Dandanai. Dandanai. I told you for hanging punishment we say Tuku Dandanai, and for life imprisonment we say Ayul Dandanai. Ayul Dandanai. Ayul Dandanai. And for thief, in Tamil we have got two names. One is Thirudan and Kallan. T Ru Da in Thirudan and Kallan. Anything is okay. Kallan. I am repeating once again. For life imprisonment it's called Ayul Dandanai. Ayul Dandanai. In the night. Then for thief we say Thirudan. Tiruda in Thirudan or Kallan. In Kallan. In English, a lawyer, advocate and vakil, everything is same. So in Tamil, we call it as vakil only. For everything same. Either lawyer or advocate or vakil. In Tamil, we call it as vakil. Vakil.